Okay, so finally OnePlus Nord 5 started receiving Jan update, and it brings all the features what other OnePlus smartphones have been receiving with the 16.0.2 update. So here we have OnePlus Nord 5. I've already updated the device to the latest build. Let me show you the software information first. So here you can see the latest version is 16.0.2 and the actual version is 16.0.2.400. If you take a look at the security patch, it comes with 1st Jan 2026 security patch. Currently you won't receive a notification for it. So you need to go to the software update section, tap on these three dots and go to the beta program. Here you should find a new build under release candidate. If you take a look at the update size, which was 1.49 GB for OnePlus Nord 5. And if you see the changes, some of the changes were already there. We'll talk about that also, but some of them are newly added. But before moving ahead guys, if you find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. First thing, let me clear guys, we did not receive the new charging animation, what we are seeing on flagship devices of OnePlus. And I don't think OnePlus will be adding the new charging animation on OnePlus Nord series. It's the same like before. You don't get to see that ripple effect while charging the device. But this feature they haven't mentioned in the changelogs, and it's good to see that OnePlus have added. And it's called Content Portal. You can find it by searching in the settings page. If you see the description of that, it says touch and hold the text, image and more, then drag to the bottom of the screen to quickly share it to other apps and services. If you are opening for the first time, you need to agree to terms and conditions. After that, you can set custom services. Like if you want any specific applications to appear towards the front side, you can add those applications manually. If not, depending on the content what you're trying to share, the applications will automatically pop up. So here we have an article. From here I'll select the text, and if you see towards the bottom side, you have glowing colorful effect. And if I drag this text towards the bottom side, you got all the applications where you can share this particular text. If you want to send it to WhatsApp, that can be done. Telegram, Instagram, paste it in notes, or even you can post it on X. You also have an option to save it to file doc. And it's not limited to only text, you can also drag the photos and videos. So here I have a video. If I long press on it, if I drag down towards the bottom side, you can see all the applications appeared which do supports video sharing. So this feature they haven't mentioned in the changelogs, but finally have been added on OnePlus Nord 5. And another change what they haven't mentioned in the changelogs, that's led to the transparent control center and transparent notification panel. I'll show you an image before updating the device. So this is how the control center used to look with that grayish background. But now if you take a look at the control center, we have that transparent background. And now let's take a look at the changelogs. So first up is now we have a new cleanup tool which can be found here in the smart sidebar. You need to scroll down, tap on edit, and here we have that cleanup tool. You can add it over here. With a single click, now you can clean the storage. So if I open it for the first time, you can see it appears in the pop-up view and it will suggest me how much data can be cleaned from my device. And just by tapping on clean, you can remove the unwanted or you can say caches from your smartphone. After that, if you see these changes related to photos, here there is nothing new. This change was already there. I do have a screenshot of that. I mean before updating the device, if I go to photos, and here we have that particular screenshot. So they are talking about this thing itself. They have added motion photos, screenshot and screen recording and edited. And if I show you after updating, we already had these options before also. So there's nothing new what they have added. After that, if you are resizing any application, now you can rearrange the shortcuts. So for example, here I've resized the camera app. If I add any shortcut like portrait and the second one, I'll select video. Now what OnePlus have done, you can rearrange these shortcuts however you want to. Like you just have to long press on it, drag to a different position and leave it there. This way you can change the position of shortcuts present on that particular app icon. Also, we have got the support of resizing the cloned applications, and similar way what I showed you guys just now, you can also reposition the shortcuts even in cloned application. So here I have created a cloned application of Facebook. Let me put it on home screen, and now if I long press on it, you can see we do have an option to resize. You can also add the shortcuts, but currently I have not added any account, so the shortcuts are not appearing here. And with this latest update, now you'll also be able to stack the 2-in-1 widgets. So let me add 2 widgets over here of 2-in-1 size. So here you can see I've added 2 widgets now. If I long press on any of the widget and drop it over the other one, now both the widgets are stacked, which was not possible before with 2-in-1 size. And finally, you can also trigger circle to search even after disabling the navigation bar. So here if I disable navigation bar, you can see after hiding the navigation bar, circle to search is still enabled. If you go to the home screen, you will see a pop-up here which says touch and hold to start searching for screen content. And if you long press over here, you will feel a haptic feedback and the circle to search will trigger. After that, they have added the Jan security patch, and there are two changes which are related to security and privacy. With the first one, now you can edit videos and files inside the private save. So here under private save, we do have some videos and images. Tapping on any of the picture, and you can see towards the bottom side, we do have an edit option. Like without unlocking the image, you can edit the photos present in private save. Similar way, you can also do that with the videos too. So here we have a video, tapping on edit, you can see it says importing. After that, if you see the last change which says after you open the phone manager application, a pop-up will appear prompting you to allow automatic block list update over Wi-Fi and mobile data. But in my case, I did try out multiple times with phone manager application, but that pop-up did not appear here. I think if there is any update available in future, then we might get to see that. But on other devices of OnePlus, after installing the update, whenever I checked, the pop-up did appear. So guys, these are all the changes. So what you'll notice after updating to the latest build of OxygenOS 16.0.2 on your OnePlus Nord 5. We'll soon be dropping an in-depth review, so if you guys have any kind of questions, you can ask us in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.